Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on factoring for terms. On the next two slides I provide the lyrics of a rap song about factoring for terms. Enjoy. And now here are the next three verses. And now we look at the lesson by doing a few examples. Factorise each of the following expressions. The first one is 3m plus 3y plus am plus ay. If we take the first two terms, we see that the HCF is 3. So we take 3 outside, and inside the brackets we have m plus y. For the next two terms, the HCF is a. We take a outside and we're left with m plus y inside the brackets. So we have 3 plus a inside the first bracket, and we have m plus y inside the second bracket. If you multiply those out, you will end up with the original answer. Number 2, we have this expression here. For the first two terms, those two there, k is the HCF, so we take that outside to give us k plus 5. For those two terms, m is the HCF, so we take that out to give us k plus 5. So the factoring will be k plus m, k plus 5. So we take each HCF, that one and that one, k plus m, and then we write k plus 5, which is there and there. And when we multiply those out, that gives us the original answer. For number 3, if we take the first two terms, take h outside the brackets, that leaves you with h minus 4. Over here, take minus 7 outside of the brackets, and that leaves us with h minus 4. Notice that has to be a minus because minus 7 by minus 4 is plus 28. So here we have h minus 7, we put that in the first bracket, and we have h minus 4, we put that in the second bracket. For number 4, we take the first two terms, p squared is the HCF, so that gives us p squared outside of p plus 1. Then we have minus p minus 1, minus 1 is the HCF, and then we have p plus 1, because when you multiply those out, that gives you minus p minus 1, which is what we have here. So we have p squared minus 1, that's the first HCF and that's the next one, and then we have p plus 1, that's what we had in the brackets. Now we know that to factorise p squared minus 1, that's actually p minus 1 p plus 1, and that p plus 1 is there. So that gives us p minus 1, which is that one, so there's p minus 1, and p plus 1 times p plus 1 is p plus 1 all squared. So we've just seen 4 examples to show us how to factorise algebraic expressions which have 4 terms. So Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by introducing the rap song about factorising 4 terms.